Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by using the Google account that has owner or manager rights. Once signed in, go directly to the Google Business Profile Manager. Make sure the business is already verified or that you submit the verification request now, because many dashboard features are locked until verification completes. Next, select the correct business location from the list. If you manage multiple locations, confirm the address or phone match what you expect so you don't edit the wrong profile. Once you're in the dashboard, scan home for alerts and pending tasks so nothing urgent is missed. Move to Info to update hours, categories, services, and business attributes because accurate details improve search visibility. Then add photos in Photos to strengthen your listing. Make sure to use posts for promotions and messages or reviews to engage customers. Insights shows impressions and queries so you know which edits matter. If you need permissions, use users to add or change roles. You finish by saving and publishing each change, then monitor the profile for propagation. Some edits take 24 to 72 hours. Make a habit of checking insights weekly and responding to reviews or messages within 24 to 48 hours to maintain credibility. If you can't access the dashboard, immediately request ownership through the profile. Check the account invitation email, clear browser cache, or use an incognito window, and try a different device. If that fails,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.